Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. There's a big difference between an average pitch deck and a great one. The great pitch deck sends the signal that you're an above-average startup, shows class and status over other companies raising funding. Here are some key steps to make your pitch deck look great. Add an investor disclaimer about investor solicitation. While this is not often done, it signals the founder knows something about securities law. Use a professional graphics designer to polish the deck. This shows you care a great deal about how you are perceived by the investors. Use uniform glyphs from the same source with a common look and feel. The grab bag of icons found on the internet can look clunky. Spell check your pitch deck to make sure you don't have any mistakes. Include sources for key slides such as the total available market and any assumptions built into the financial forecast. And make good use of charts, tables, and graphics. Otherwise, the pitch deck will come out looking word heavy. Make clear the ask in the deck to show the investor the next step. Include these steps in your pitch deck preparation. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us with today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.